your goodness, Lord. When I think of them, how undeserving I am so thankful to you. Your love overflowing, plentiful for one and all. For the high and lowly, I am so thankful, Lord. May your name be praised forever.
Your faithfulness never ever fails. You are trustworthy, forever firm like a rock.
Your love overflowing, plentiful for one and all. For the high and the lowly, I am so thankful, Lord. May your name be praised forever. Trusting your name is to see great things. Praise be to your name through generations to come. Your love overflowing, plentiful